Hi there, and welcome to Grammar and Punctuation. Now, grammar and punctuation account for a high number of marks in GCSE English language exams and GCSE English literature exams. And it's quite common that students make careless mistakes when it comes to grammar and punctuation. So we need to take into account of commas, apostrophes, capital letters, at the same time looking into sentence structures, simple sentences, compound sentences, lists, complex sentences, minor sentences, apostrophes, capital letters, and also highlighting mistakes and checking when we've actually completed our tasks. These simple rules will hopefully get you and give you a checklist of what you need to check off in terms of your grammar and punctuation checklist in your exams, just to make sure that you don't miss out on careless mistakes that could cost you marks in the final exam. So please do read through this together. This is as important as it is probably writing an essay or answering reading-based exams in the GCSE English exams as well. So good luck with these, and we'll follow this up in our next lesson. Thank you.